The back-breaking struggle of hoisting a 12-foot plastic beast onto the roof of your car while onlookers watch you stumble in the parking lot is a frustrating rite of passage for many anglers. It is a sport often defined by heavy lifting and awkward storage solutions that require a massive garage or a dedicated trailer. But the concept of a modular fishing kayak completely changes the equation for the average person who just wants to get on the water without the physical drama. We are talking about a boat that actually fits inside your trunk or the back of a standard SUV. You do not need a massive truck. You do not need a specialized trailer with expensive lights and registration fees. You definitely do not need to spend hundreds of dollars on a roof rack that whistles every time you drive on the highway. This specific modular boat is built to break apart into manageable sections that one person can carry. It is a clever approach to watercraft that prioritizes your actual lifestyle over the traditional demands of the sport. For anyone living in a third-floor apartment or someone who simply lacks a garage, this is a total game changer. You can literally keep your vessel in a bedroom closet or tucked away in a corner of your balcony. That sounds like a dream for city dwellers who love the outdoors but hate the logistics. But we have to address the skepticism that naturally follows a design like this. Most people look at a kayak that snaps together and they feel a bit uneasy. The fear is always the same. Is it going to leak at the seams when I am miles from shore? Will it snap in half if I hit a submerged stump or a rocky bank? These are valid concerns for anyone heading out onto open water. Real users have pointed out that while the very first setup is a bit of a frustrating puzzle, the actual connection feels remarkably solid once you get the hang of the hardware. It is surprisingly stiff once those heavy-duty latches are locked down and secured. You can even stand up to cast your line without feeling like you are on a tightrope. That is the gold standard for any serious fishing craft. Stability is everything when you are fighting a fish or trying to get a better vantage point on the water. This model uses a wide hull design to keep you from tipping over into the drink. It also features a pedal drive system that changes everything. You are moving with your legs instead of your arms. Your hands are free to hold your rod and manage your line without constantly reaching for a heavy paddle. The drive even has a reverse function. That is a massive advantage when you are trying to back away from a duck or stay perfectly positioned against a tricky current. However, we have to look at the downsides because they are definitely present. This boat is expensive. You are paying a significant premium for the luxury of portability. Some critics argue you could get a much higher quality one-piece boat for the exact same amount of money. There have also been reports of bent latches and some genuine frustration with the rudder hardware during the initial assembly. If you are a hardcore professional who spends every single day on the water, you might find the modular design a bit less refined than a traditional molded hull. There is always a trade-off when you choose convenience over a singular solid structure. But for the solo angler who just wants to get on the lake without a massive workout before the actual fishing starts, the trade-off is incredibly tempting. It is all about removing the barriers that keep you on the couch. If a boat is too hard to move, you will eventually stop using it. This design solves that specific problem with a snap and a click. You just have to decide if that freedom justifies the price of admission. It represents a major shift in how we think about outdoor gear. We want high performance, but we also need it to fit into our modern, cramped lives. This boat tries to bridge that gap. It is a bold design that challenges the old ways of doing things. You just have to trust the engineering before you head out into the deep blue.